Hello friends, welcome to DeOnDe. Today on behalf of DeOnDe, I'll help you understand how to add a vendor. After you successfully log in onto the screen, you will find this dashboard. You just need to click here on Management, drop down the menu and click on Vendor. Here you find the green icon that is Add Vendor. Now you need to fulfill the entire form for having the correct vendor details on board. The first is the vendor info. So let me type the vendor info, the vendor email ID, the phone number. If you are serving multiple business, multiple category will be displayed, but if you are serving a single business, your category will be selected by default. Here I am selecting restaurant and accordingly I am adding cuisines over here, helping the customers to search the vendor according to the following tags. You can add multiple tags over here. The next is the location. Again, if you are serving in the multiple cities, you will find this option open for you. But if you are serving a single city, the location will be set by default. The longitude and latitude depending on the Google map. And here is the full address that you need to enter. The next are the other info. Minimum order amount value. The cost for 2 people. The average processing time in minutes. The business license number is not mandatory, but if you want, you can add it over here. The next is admin commission type, that is 2, either fixed or percentage. If you have a deal with your vendor for a fixed admin commission type, then you can select the fixed, and if you are charging on percentage, then you need to select the percentage and the value. Next is vendor type. Your vendor type can be all pure veg, non-veg or non-applicable. The next is a time slot. You need to select the time slot from the drop-down menu. That would be the delivery time slot. The delivery type and time slot, that is a pickup, delivery or both. You can select anything from the drop-down menu. The next is a GST in percentage value. You need to enter this. The most important is the vendor details page layout. Here you will find 3 options to select: layout 1, 2 and 3. Depending on any of the layout, your application screen will be displayed. If you select layout 1, your app screen will be displayed as layout 1, and similarly for 2 and 3. The phone support is again not mandatory, but if you want a phone support to be mentioned on your app screen, then you can definitely add over here for the vendor. The next is a vendor image. You need to have a vendor image that can be a logo. So you just need to click here, open, and you can select the vendor image and click on save. And later you just need to add vendor. So your vendor would be added on your dashboard successfully. Thank you.